The AI revolution has reached an incredible tipping point, where access to cutting-edge artificial intelligence is no longer restricted to tech giants with massive budgets. Right now, there are over 200 completely free AI model APIs available to developers, creators, and businesses that offer unlimited access with no hidden costs or restrictive paywalls. These powerful APIs cover every imaginable AI capability from generative text and image creation to speech synthesis, code generation, predictive analytics, and specialized industry solutions, all available through simple API calls that can be integrated into any project or application. Leading the pack are free tier offerings from major AI research organizations like OpenAI's GPT 3.5 API, which allows developers to build conversational AI applications with a generous free usage limit, while Anthropic's Claude API provides access to their constitutional AI models focused on helpful and harmless responses. For computer vision projects, Google's Vision AI and TensorFlow.js offer free image recognition capabilities, and AWS's free tier includes access to recognition for face and object detection without immediate costs. The explosion of open-source AI models has led to an abundance of free API options, with Hugging Face hosting hundreds of community-developed models that can be accessed through their Inference API, including state-of-the-art natural language processing models like BERT, Roberta, and DistilBERT for text classification, sentiment analysis, and language translation tasks. For developers looking to incorporate AI-generated art into their projects, Stable Diffusion's API provides free access to their revolutionary text-to-image generation model, while DeepAI offers multiple free creative APIs including style transfer, colorization, and artistic filters. Voice technology has become incredibly accessible with free APIs, like Google's text-to-speech supporting dozens of languages and voices, Mozilla's open-source TTS for customizable speech synthesis, and VoiceVox for anime-style voice generation. Speech recognition is equally well covered with free tiers from Assembly AI, Vosk's offline speech recognition API, and Whisper.cpp for efficient transcription of audio files. The coding community has benefited tremendously from free AI code assistance APIs, including Codex's free sandbox, GitHub Copilot's API for educational use, and Codeum's completely free alternative with similar capabilities for auto-completion and code generation across multiple programming languages. What makes this current landscape revolutionary is how many of these APIs offer truly unlimited free access, rather than just temporary trials. Services like OpenAI API alternatives such as Petals, which provides free access to large language models, or Alpaca LoRa, which lets users run instruction-following models locally through API endpoints. The academic and research community has contributed significantly to this ecosystem with projects like Bloom's 176 billion parameter model available through free APIs, Big Science's open research tools, and Eleuther AI's GPT-J and GPT-Neo models that rival commercial offerings. Specialized AI domains are equally well represented in the free API space for healthcare applications. There's DeepChem for molecular modeling, Clinical BERT for medical text analysis, and BioWordVec for biomedical natural language processing, all available at no cost. Financial technology developers can leverage free APIs like AlphaVantage for stock predictions, FinBERT for financial sentiment analysis, and RiskLab's open risk modeling tools. The gaming industry has seen an influx of free AI APIs, including OpenAI's DALL-E for generating game assets, Unity's ML agents for intelligent NPC behavior, and AI Dungeon's storytelling engine that can be integrated into game narratives. For social good applications, there are free disaster prediction models, climate change analysis tools from ClimateMind, and humanitarian AI APIs from organizations like UN Global Pulse. What's particularly exciting is how many of these free APIs support real-time processing services like DeepGram's speech-to-text, Symbol.ai Conversation Intelligence, and Twilio's AI-powered communications can all be used in live applications without upfront costs. The maker community and IoT developers have an abundance of options with free-edge AI APIs like TensorFlow Lite for microcontrollers, Edge Impulse's machine learning platform for embedded devices, and OpenMV's computer vision capabilities for smart cameras. Even traditionally expensive AI services like document analysis are now freely accessible through APIs like Amazon Textract's free tier, Tesseract OCR's open-source text recognition, and DocParser's PDF extraction tools. Legal tech has seen similar democratization with free access to legal document analysis through APIs like LexPredict and Lexplosion, while the education sector benefits from free AI writing tutors, math solvers, and plagiarism detection APIs. The marketing world hasn't been left behind. There are completely free APIs for social media sentiment analysis, ad copy generation, and customer persona modeling from providers like MonkeyLearn, Hugging Face's marketing-specific models, and Rapid API's collection of business AI tools. What makes this proliferation of free AI APIs truly game-changing is how they lower the barrier to innovation. A solo developer working from their bedroom now has access to the same caliber of AI tools that required million-dollar budgets just a few years ago. The quality of these free offerings is astonishing, with many providing production-ready performance that can scale from hobby projects to full commercial applications. Emerging platforms like Replicate make it trivial to deploy and use hundreds of open-source AI models through a unified API, while services like Banana Dev and Beam offer free GPU-accelerated inference for even the most demanding models. The open-source community has been instrumental in this movement, with projects like FastAPI making it easy to wrap AI models in developer-friendly interfaces, and ONX Runtime providing optimized execution across hardware platforms and devices. Security hasn't been overlooked in this free AI API landscape. There are multiple no-cost options for cybersecurity applications, including malware detection APIs, anomaly detection systems, and AI-powered vulnerability scanners. Privacy-focused developers have access to free federated learning frameworks, differential privacy tools, and on-premise deployment options for sensitive applications. The mobile development community benefits from free core ML and ML-Kit APIs that bring AI capabilities directly to iOS and Android apps without server costs. Even cutting-edge AI research areas like reinforcement learning, generative adversarial networks, and transformer architectures are available through free APIs that abstract away the underlying complexity. The business implications of this free AI API ecosystem are profound. Startups can now prototype and launch AI-powered products without initial infrastructure investments. Students can learn state-of-the-art machine learning through hands-on API experimentation, and enterprises can evaluate multiple AI approaches before committing to paid solutions. This democratization has led to an explosion of creative applications, from AI-generated podcasts using free voice synthesis APIs to automated content moderation systems built on free NLP models. The educational potential is equally transformative, with teachers incorporating these free APIs into STEM curricula and researchers leveraging them for rapid experimentation. As the field continues to evolve, we're seeing new categories of free AI APIs emerge almost weekly: quantum machine learning interfaces, neuromorphic computing platforms, and even experimental APIs for emerging technologies like stable diffusion video generation. The community-driven nature of many of these projects ensures they remain free and open, with collaborative improvement models that benefit all users. Platforms like GitHub and GitLab host thousands of open-source AI projects that can be instantly deployed as free APIs using services like Hugging Face Spaces or Gradio. For developers wondering how to navigate this abundance of free AI resources, the best approach is often to start with general-purpose APIs, like OpenAI or Hugging Face, before exploring specialized options for particular use cases. Most free APIs offer comprehensive documentation, code samples in multiple languages, and active community support through forums and Discord channels. The integration is typically straightforward, often just requiring an API key and simple HTTP requests, with many providers offering SDKs for popular programming languages. The future of this free AI API ecosystem looks even brighter, with major tech companies increasingly offering free access to their AI research as part of open innovation initiatives, and academic institutions releasing state-of-the-art models with public API endpoints. Emerging technologies like AI model marketplaces and decentralized inference networks promise to make access even more widespread and equitable. What began as a trickle of experimental AI web services has grown into a veritable flood of production-grade tools available to anyone with an internet connection and basic coding skills. This unprecedented access to free AI capabilities represents one of the most significant technological equalizers in history, breaking down barriers that previously reserved advanced artificial intelligence for well-funded corporations. As these APIs continue to improve and multiply, they're empowering a new generation of creators, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers to build innovative solutions to the world's challenges, all without spending a dime on infrastructure or software licenses. The message to developers is clear. The AI tools you need are already available, completely free, and waiting for your creative application. Whether you're building the next viral app, conducting groundbreaking research, or simply experimenting with emerging technologies, there's never been a better time to dive into the world of AI development. And with these 200+ free APIs at your disposal, there's nothing holding you back from turning your most ambitious ideas into reality starting right now.